Get a round of takbirs for our brother Jordan M. Takbir! 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 Takbir!
Assalamu alaikum. So almost a year ago, I attended a protest in this very spot. There must have been no more than 30 people. And Brother Sabor was here. And we talked about filling up this entire street. And now look at you all here in solidarity with the Uyghur Muslims, for our brothers and sisters.
Takbir!
May Allah bless every single one of you for your attendance today. Last time I spoke about the power of social media and how all of us can make a difference. And here we are, making that difference. But here's the thing. I do not want to be here today. I do not want to be here today. I don't want to be here ever again. 7 decades ago in Nazi Germany, when the gas chambers were found, when the mass murder of the Jews was realized, there was a 2-word promise vocalized all around the world. Does anyone know what that was? Never again. Never again. So if that's the case, why are the Uyghurs being ignored? Why are the Uyghur brothers and sisters attending tribunals, trying to prove something we know damn well is happening? Where are all the human rights activists? All the ones that claim to be the bastions of morality, the ones that defend oppressed minorities? Where are they? Where are the superpowers of the world who will invade a country to liberate the mythical uneducated girl? Where are the Muslim leaders? We need you. The Ummah needs you. The Uyghurs need you. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the greatest struggle is the word of truth to the tyrant ruler. Well, let's address the leader of the CCP, shall we? Xi Jinping, why are you still systematically raping, torturing and humiliating a people? Shame on you! Shame on you! Xi Jinping, why are you still holding millions of Muslims in camps? 1 in 10 Muslims are currently behind bars. Shame on you! Shame on you! Xi Jinping, why are the Uyghurs still being sold into forced labour? Shame on you! Shame on you! Xi Jinping, why are you still forcing Uyghur women into marriages they don't want to do? Shame on you! Shame on you! Xi Jinping, why are you still forcibly sterilising Uyghur women, cutting out their wombs? This is ethnic cleansing. This is a clear genocide. Shame on you! Shame on you! You want to burn Qurans, you want to destroy mosques, you want to remove Ramadan. Well, we see you. The world sees you. There may well be a population of 1 billion in China, but the Ummah is 2 billion strong. The Ummah is one body. And if one part of that body feels pain, we all feel it. We are all Uyghurs. We are all Uyghurs standing here. Ladies and gentlemen, anyone around the world who is staying silent on this obvious genocide is going to be on the wrong side of history with Xi Jinping and his party. Join us and help us liberate our Uyghur brothers and sisters. Never again! Never again! Jazakallah khair.
Takbir!